I know all this digital marketing stuff can be quite intense at some times, but honestly, when you learn the skill, it becomes really, really fun. And it's actually done a lot for my mental wellness because it makes me feel good. It makes me feel energized. But I want to let you know if jumping into like the digital marketing part of this business is just a little too much for you right now, I want to share with you something that I do. And it only takes me 10, maybe 15 minutes max a day. Now, I started Clickly, which is email marketing, on June 5th. And I really didn't know anything about it. And I was like, you know what? Well, Dee, you are in the make money online business. You're supposed to be testing out different ways people can make money online, especially for those who maybe you don't want to show your face because you're not ready to do that part of this business yet. So I started, and basically it is a email marketing system where you show up every day and you send out pre-written emails, and it's all done for you. That's all you have to do is build your subscriber list. I send out 2 emails a day at 20,000, and then I send out pre-written emails to that subscriber list. And I do about 15 emails at 5,000 each. And for those of you that are already doing it, you completely understand what I'm saying. But I'm here to let you know this is easy peasy. Not only do you have the opportunity to send out emails to make money, it is legit money. So I have made just sending out emails alone about 400, very close to $500, like $498 just sending out emails. So if you don't want to show your face, you can go to my Stan Store and grab the email marketing 5-day free trial and get started. Now, I do want to do a little disclaimer. You're not going to get paid out until you reach $300. And you can literally do that in 30 days. Now, the other part of Clickly is they have a referral program, or you can call it an affiliate program. So I create short videos and I market that business, and I tell people how simple it is to send out pre-written emails, and it takes 10 minutes a day. You can do it faceless, or if you want to add an additional stream of income to your already make money online business, you can do that. And it's easy, guys. And the last, I'm going to say 35 days, I have hit over $2,200. And that is completely unbelievable, especially because I don't make a ton of videos about it. I'm maybe one or two a week, and then my 10, 15 minutes in the email. So $2,200, guys, that is like, groceries for 2 months or a vacation or anything that you want to do with it. Pay down a credit card. But you should check it out. Again, that is in my Stan Store. It is amazing and simple to do. So make sure you save this video and follow me so you can learn how to build a business online so you can ditch your 9 to 5.